What's up, all my stock market investors? This is ShPena. I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. Today I'm talking about how to invest in the current market. I realize there's a lot of new investors that watch the channel, so I felt like it was only right that I should break down maybe a few tips, how I see things, and just some advice so that y'all can build y'all generational wealth. And speaking about building generational wealth, we got the group chat, the group stocks chat. If you'd like to be a part of it, make sure you DM me above at my Instagram and I will add you in. We are in there talking about stocks so that we can help each other build our generational wealth. Now, I need your help, YouTube family, because I'm a little conflicted right now. We all know that I have shares in Viacom CBS. They pay me dividends. I'm very happy about that. But recently they fired Nick Cannon for speaking his mind, for having his freedom of speech, and I'm a little conflicted. I don't know if I should stand with Nick Cannon, boycott and sell all my Viacom shares and just invest in another company, because there's plenty of opportunity up there. I'm for my people. I want to stand with my people, but I don't know if I'm overthinking the situation. Is it a big deal that I stick with my Viacom shares, or should I sell my Viacom shares because they fired one of our people, one of the people that were creating content and entertaining us, just because they were, speaking freely, which we all have the right to do. So let me know in the comments. Would you sell the Viacom shares to stand with Nick Cannon, or is it just not that serious and I should just keep my shares? I'm a little conflicted and I need y'all help. So let me know in the comments below what y'all think I should do. Now, as far as investing in the current market, you definitely have to be careful for the stocks that you know are good, but they're overpriced. There's a lot of great stocks that are overpriced in the market right now. So just be very, very careful. I've always said it. Do not let big bank take little bank. We are little bank, and big bank is out there, and they're taking lots of little banks. And I don't want none of my YouTube family to get their money taken. And what I mean by that is that big bank will make us a good stock appear like it's soaring to the sky. It's reaching, and then little bank is gonna squabble up all the little bit of money they have to invest in like a Tesla at 1,500, and then big bank, after the little banks invest, the big bank pulls their money out, dropping the stock price, creating a pullback in the stock price, uh, you know, which little bank loses their total valuation of the stock because they invested at a high mark, and now the big bank pulled out. So now the stock is worth here, but little bank invested up here and big bank just took all that profit. So just be very careful with that. Tech is, I think, a safe bet, but don't be fully invested in tech because tech is very volatile. We see it with Netflix. Netflix is down 7%, based off of one metric in their earnings. They had I think it was over 75 million new users, but because of this small subscriber metric, the stock dropped 7%. But that's opportunity for people. Square dropped 8%, I mentioned this week, and that's opportunity for people. Health, there's opportunity in health. There's opportunity in food, and there's opportunity in the staple stocks, the Walmarts, the Coca-Colas, the Pepsis. There's opportunity all around. There's opportunity in communication, in like an AT&T or Verizon. There's opportunity. There's many opportunities for investors and the people who invest. I always recommend you buy full shares rather than buying partial shares. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Are you for partial shares or are you for full shares? Would you rather invest 500 into Tesla, or would you rather take $100 and invest it into $500 and invest it into 5 different companies and be more diverse? I would recommend for you to be more diverse, and I recommend that because when one of your stocks is down, if you're diverse well, the ones that are up are going to pick up for those losses, right? So for me, for example, I'm losing at GE and JetBlue, but my Canopy and Zynga and my Outfront Media stocks are pushing my portfolio up, and they're covering my losses on aviation that we're having right now because of the cases rising. So you want to be diverse. You don't want to be completely in tech, and you want to invest in stuff that makes sense to you. If you can't make sense of it, don't invest in it, please. Right? If you don't understand how they make money, don't invest in it. For example, Netflix is very simple to understand, right? They're down 7%, and they had over 75 million new subscribers or something like that during this whole pandemic period. They make money by the subscribers paying. When you have a new subscriber, that means someone's paying. Even though that can also mean that someone is doing a 30-day free trial, we also need to be very careful when these numbers are being skewed and put together. We have to remember that free trials, they're going to consider that as a subscription, right? So the numbers may change. They might have had 75, or out of the 75 million, they could have had 50 million of those people could have been just 30-day free trial people. And now those 30 days are up. So now the numbers are changing. So this is what I mean, where we just need to be mindful and we need to ask each other questions. And that's why we have the group chat, so we can ask each other questions. And don't be afraid. There's no stupid question. Someone recently asked me, how do I get dividends? It's not a stupid question. We weren't taught this. This information wasn't taught to us, so there is no stupid question when it comes to trying to make money and trying to build generational wealth. If you don't know, you don't know, so ask. And the way for anybody else listening, if you don't understand how to get dividends, how to get paid dividends, you need to invest in a company that pays dividends. You go on Google, let's say Coca-Cola. I've been interested in Coca-Cola. You Google, how much does Coca-Cola pay in dividends? Not every company pays dividends. I'm a fan of companies that pay dividends. I don't chase after companies that pay dividends, but if they pay dividends, I think it is a big plus, because it's nice to get paid for your money sitting in an account, right? Your money's making $0, $0 in a savings account right now in America. Interest rates are damn near zero or already at zero and probably heading towards negative. So your money is making $0 in a bank account right now. But that same bank account is flipping your money all types of ways so that they can make money. And they're not paying you. So you got to be strategic with your money. You got to put your money to work, right? And you can't be scared. Scared money don't make no money, right? If you're new to investing, because I know a lot of people that do watch my channel are new to investing, you know, the truth of the matter is that you have to take risk, and without risk, there's just not going to be no reward. And that's why I say, you know, go full shares rather than partial shares, because it's going to be better for you when you own a full share and you go to sell it for a profit. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Feel free to ask to be a part of the group chat, and we're talking stocks every day. And listen, just remember, no question is a stupid question, and I'm always willing to help my people. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about today's video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about just investing in this current market. Share your thoughts. Share your thoughts so that others can see and you can help others. You never know. It can be one little thing you say can spark this new investor to just be able to invest more and just feel confident to invest in the market. You know, the plan is to build generational wealth together, for us to all look back and be like, wow, look how we helped each other. Now we're all top tier people helping our communities. I appreciate everybody for watching. And listen, please let me know your opinion on this Viacom CBS thing. I'm very, very conflicted. Have a great day.